Is that where the quote's from? I just saw it somewhere, yeah.
Yeah, look. Yeah, Yoda and Luke. One coming. Hey, set up, guys. Yoda, John.
Carry it up. Ryan, don't do that. Yeah, you're just gonna cause more problems.
Give it up, go! You have him beat! You beat him!
Give it to Adam earlier, dude. Should give it to Adam earlier. This is Adam's time to shine right here in the Hitman.
Hey, Adam, come on more so he can give it to you, and then you can skate it up.
Look at this, 3-on-2s all day, guys.
Yeah.
If the guy's gonna do that, now granted, Sarah's back there, it's not wrong for him to do that, but I suggest you guys call a timeout on this, dude. You get a chance.
What are we going to talk about in the summer?
I'll tell you.
Coach us on shit.
Oh, God. Help her. There it is.
Oh, nice.
There it is.
Oh, look good. Oh. 5 seconds, guys. Run! Drop back. Even. Is anybody pink?
Yeah, see, I don't even take chances. I just play next to the guy in the box.
I know.
There's no F-ups, dude, yeah.
I didn't think he knew. I don't.
Yeah.
Do they? Can you guys hear me when I'm yelling? I'm yelling at Adam all the time. He doesn't hear you. I'm yelling at Ryan. I don't know if he hears me when you tell him to come back and help me. I feel like I'm yelling for no reason. Yeah. I hear you from here.
Here we go, Adam. Come on, Adam.
Go, center.
Oh! Oh shit!
Drop back.
Move! Behind the net! Help! Oh yeah. Help them behind the net! They can't hear me. There you go, just burn them up, dude. I don't think it happened. Like, if he was the one holding the puck, yeah.
You guys had to battle. But it was. Come on.
In it, so he can just throw it back there.
unless you miraculously open it right. I know, yeah. Then you
So look at setup, perfect setup right here. Oh.
That's enough. There we go. Good, Adam. And now he's going to get the puck as a result. See?
There we go.
That's how it works.
Dangle! Alright, yeah, and that's the right time to dangle right there, right? That's the right time to dangle right there. You beat that guy, it's game over.
Yeah. Nice shot, Adam.
Oh, come on, Ryan. Beat him! Beat him, Adam! This is it! Beat him!
Time! D.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Recovery, Olivier. Someone in the front. Right there. Hey. So you're curious to know what how he would look like in our league? This is what he would look like.
Yeah. We'll see. Maybe it's something. Maybe it's the skater's helmet or something.
That's funny.
When he's playing a competition like him or better,
Dude,
can't do shit.
I'll tell you right now, she scores at higher level though. When he plays with like his higher level team, he scores.
I don't see a goal tonight.
She doesn't score this.
It's all done.
He doesn't score the same way, but he gets passes and he one-timers pretty well. So.
Yeah.
Block a shot. There's his chance.
That's a good try.
Sarah, slow down. Sarah, slow down. Ay, 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 dude. Ryan.
Break up.
Yep.
Oh, nice. There you go, Adam. He's right there,
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah, right?
Why is that not a call?
Yep. He asked us if he should call it.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. You scored? Alright, I'm just gonna play the whole game, huh? Alright. Fire. Oh, snipe that shit. There you go, Eugene. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Oh, oh, go, go, go! Come on, Ryan! Backhand. Oh! Good back check. Still good back check, dude. Nice steal, nice back check, dude.
You had it, you just got it.
It was too central, yeah.
The right where you were aiming was open. I assume
That's what I was trying to do, yeah, go outside. I just hit it straight.
You got the good height.
Ryan, you don't want a backhand move, huh?
What's that?
You don't want a backhand move?
I haven't been successful the last couple times I tried it, so my confidence is a little
Okay,
low on it.
okay,
Also, I'm not as confident when going straight on.
okay.
If it's on the side, it's a little
Gotcha.
easier.
3-on-3 overtime.
3 on 3? You might want that.
Oh, shit. Oh,
I
shit.
gotta
shoot from that
like,
point,
knuckles
right?
that, yeah.
You're shooting from deep.
Yep.
As soon as we
Fine, we get possession.
have possession.
Get possession, dude, yeah.
Go, control, control.
Ah, shit, you need to get possession, dude.
Oh, normally.
Nobody there, nobody.
Everyone went
That's alright, that's an okay thing to do, though.
Go, go, go.
Brendan!
Brendan, Brendan, Brendan.
Ready? Go, we got 30.
Go, go, go.
Okay, go, go, go. I got the right.
Control, guys, control.
Get on him! 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 Gotta get on him!
Hey, set up, on deep. Help him out. Help him out.
Oh, shit. Move at him, you got it, you got it.
Shoot!
5 seconds